had to just go for it on that red. In Lombok, apparently that's how it works. Otherwise, you get people behind you pretty pissed off. It's a no-win, so you just have to win anyway. Still in the city of Mataram, so really gotta watch it here. You get the side saddlers who ride slow, and then you get the people that ride super fast, and there's really not a whole lot in between. So keeping up with Mama at the right pace is critical. This road here, this should be headed south. Now we should be facing south, which will be about an hour to Kuta, and pretty soon headed out of the city of Mataram, in case anybody's Google mapping all this. You had everybody trying to get around that truck. Meanwhile, this truck in front of me was passing all that shit on the right side. So you get squeezed in situations like that. You got to watch out for that. I mean, granted, there was plenty of space, but it doesn't always work out that way.